Well, the Texas Senate recently approving a bill that would eliminate faculty tenure at public universities. Tenure is described as a permanent contract in higher education that is usually offered after 6 years after a professor is hired. And it's a demonstration that an individual has contributed enough knowledge to the field they're given that would allow them to do more research. KTSM 9 News reporter Tani Davis spoke with State Senator Cesar Blanco about his decision on the bill, as well as current tenured professors from UTEP on their thoughts on this bill.
Senator Cesar Blanco says public universities in Texas continue to look past professors of color for a tenured position. This is why he decided to break away from the Democratic Party and vote in favor of public universities eliminating faculty tenure.
There's been a long history of discrimination practices within higher education, and these institutions to this day still fail on diversity, equity, inclusion, especially as it relates to tenure.
Current tenured associate professor of political science, Dr. Todd Curry, agrees with Blanco, saying tenure is a system that is traditionally dominated by individuals who are Caucasian. However, he understands that for universities like UTEP, it is a different story.
I would say at UTEP, we have a very different experience. We have a very diverse faculty. But at many institutions, yes, absolutely, the tenure is a detriment toward faculty of color.
If this bill is passed by the House, it would impact universities like UTEP and Texas Tech, who are in the borderland. It would make it difficult for both schools to entice new professors to begin their career in El Paso if they are not able to offer a tenured position.
When you're talking about El Paso, it is oftentimes challenging to get a full range of recruits to think about coming to El Paso. And so this is just one more thing that's going to have an impact, I believe a negative impact on our ability to recruit.
Again, that was Tani Davis reporting.